So I'm selling this drone. It's an awesome drone. I had to get it out because I haven't used it since last season, which is why I'm selling it. But I thought I would show you a quick flight to show you that it still works and how cool it is. Let me show you what it looks like. And there it is, the Parrot Bebop. It's an awesome drone. High definition video. I took the feet off, the rubber feet off, because they kept coming off. I think it's a common thing with this model, but there are some mods I think that'll let you put them on and keep them on. I have an amazing kit. Let me show you that. I have an amazing kit with it. I have this case, which holds up here, holds the drone, and it also holds the bumpers for indoor flight. It holds the commander controller, which is an amazing controller when you're flying. You can put your phone on there. It has a mount for your phone and also a screen that hides your phone from the sunshine. Extra propellers. Look at this. With the one in the drone right now, we have one on the drone, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batteries. So there you go. All the flying you'd ever want. 3 of them are stock. 2 of them, actually 3 of them, including the one in the drone, are, let's turn the camera this way, are the 1700 milliamp, the extended flight batteries. The stock are 1200. As I said, this Sky controller comes with it. This is an amazing way to fly. This antenna extends your Wi-Fi. You'll have to look at it online, but how far it extends your Wi-Fi, but you are flying definitely beyond the limits of visual with this controller and with this antenna. So you'll enjoy that. Let's do a quick flight, and we'll be talking to you. We'll turn it on here. Oh, I'll go to the video from the Parrot for the rest of this video. There you go. That's the Bebop drone. Have fun with it.